Welcome guys. Let's do Matic technical analysis and let me please show you my new charts of Matics and my new price targets of Matic. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And if you want to get $3,500 bonus of Freemax, Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses that are withdrawable and tradable too. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you my targets. This is Matic Polygon 1 hour chart and it is in this ascending wedge. After hitting this price $1.51, Matic is now at $1.43 and the lower trend line is at $1.36 and there is a support zone for the Polygon Matic is at that level. This level is a support zone for the Matic and it is at $1.38. I think Polygon maybe it can hit this zone again, and after hitting this zone price of the Polygon can move like this maybe, and this will be the next target $1.53 for the Polygon Matic. And if unfortunately Polygon Matic break this price level and price support level, in that case there is a support line is at $1.35, $1.36 price area. There is a this is a good support zone and strong support zone. Polygon have to hold this zone, and this is a strong support zone for the Polygon Matic, and I think Polygon can hold this zone and price can hit new higher highs, and after that I think 1.60 1.70 is very near. And if I calculate this, let me please show you. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if I show you according to that fib retracement tool, let me please show you. This is the lowest zone. I want to calculate it from the lowest to top zone, and here you can see if Polygon Matic price break this support zone, in that case price of the Polygon can hit this zone $1.31 price, and it is 0.23 Fibonacci level, and maybe after that this is a golden pocket at this is at 0.38 and price can hit $1.18. But I think price of the Polygon definitely break this and will create new higher highs, and after that our target will be I think $1.75 and $1.90. These are the targets. And let me please show you EMA ribbon, and this is one hour EMA ribbon, and here you can see at that point candles are in between this EMA ribbon, and here you can see candles have to break this and close daily candle above $1.45. In that case price of the Polygon definitely will go up. And let me please show you my next chart, and it is 4-hour chart, and here you can see this is strong support line for the Polygon, and after hitting this I think price of the Polygon will move like this and like this. Let me please arrange this chart and let me please show you. These are the levels. This is strong support zone for the Polygon Matic is at $1.45, and strong horizontal line is at this area $1.51. Once Polygon Matic break this area, in that case next target will be like this. Let me please show you. In that case, next target is $1.60, and I think Polygon can hit this target very soon. $1.60 price level. Let me please zoom this and let me please show you the target according to the fib retracement tool. I have to calculate from top to bottom, and this zone, and let me please do this, and let me please zoom this. Here you can see, Polygon Matic price is at 0.38 Fibonacci level. Once it break this, and in that case new target will be $1.70, and it is the golden pocket of this Fibonacci level, and it is at 0.51 Fibonacci level, this area. And once it break this, then next level is golden pocket 0.618, and price can hit $1.93. Same target I mentioned previously, 1.70 I was told you, and $1.90 are the targets. These are the targets. You can note down this target, $1.70, and $1.70 is at 0.5 Fibonacci level, and 1.92 or $93 is at 0.618 Fibonacci level, and Polygon have to hold these levels. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Here you can see, this is very good sign. Polygon Matic hold this EMA ribbon very successfully, and it is turning as a support zone for the Matic, and it is at $1.38. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the daily chart, and let me please show you. This is Polygon daily chart, Matic daily chart. Matic was rejected from that zone, and previous resistance $1.53, and price is at $1.43. These white lines are resistance levels for the Matic: $1.41, $1.53, $1.70, $1.96, $2.45, and $2.70. Once Polygon Matic hold this area, let me please show you, and in that case, let me please draw this. This is strong support zone. If Polygon Matic break this area, break this support zone $1.40, in that case maybe price can hit 1.26, and now it is a strong support for the Matic. But I think it have to move towards upside and hit $1.17 is the next target, and next target will be 1.97. If I draw Fibonacci level again, and if I show you according to the fib retracement tool, here you can see, Matic is at 0.38 Fibonacci level, and it is at $1.43, and after that 0.5 is the next level, and it is at 1.65, and next level is 0.61, and it is golden pocket $1.90. Note down these levels, and these levels are very important. Polygon Matic can hit these levels very soon. And let me please show you a daily EMA ribbon. Here you can see daily EMA ribbon is at $1.17, and candles are far away from daily EMA ribbon, and that is a very good sign. And this is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and keep supporting me. And if you want to get these bonuses, $3,500 bonus of Pmex, Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message. Click on these links and create your account. After initial deposit you can get these bonuses. My last words are that Matic have to hold this area $1.40. Once Matic hold this area, next target is $1.52, maybe $1.55, and according to the fib retracement tools, 1.70 and 1.90 are the targets. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me.